Hello, everybody. It is Jen. This is a tutorial on how to shift your weight and stand up more easily from the floor. Regardless of what age you are, this is something I see so many people get stuck on. And it's funny because it's one of those things I think we take for granted when we're children and we're doing it all the time. But then, you get past high school and you do it less. There's a lot of ways, though, that make this easy. It's less about strength and more about how you use your body. So, you're going to start in a tall kneeling position and you're going to take 1 foot forward. Now, from here, make sure the back toes are flexed because you're going to use this back leg to help push you forward. You're going to take your hands, you're going to reach them forward. And as you reach them forward, I want you to see when you feel the weight start to shift into this front foot. Once that weight starts to shift into the front foot, that's when you push through the back foot and you can easily stand up. You can reverse it to come back down. So if I reach my hands, I step my foot back and I start to reach my booty back, I'm going to feel the weight shift into this back foot and away from this front foot. Let's do it on the other side. I step the foot forward. I flex the back toes. I'm going to reach my hands. Now, if you reach your hands like to the side of your front foot, then you're going to go that way. Whatever way you reach is the way that you're going to go. So presumably you want to go forward, which means it's usually easiest to reach with your hands kind of centered over that front foot. So I reach, I feel my weight shift into this foot, I push my back foot, I stand back up. Give that a try, see how it goes. Once you get used to that, it can be very easy and useful to transition that into other things. As always, if you found that content helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and you can find out more about little tips like this from my upcoming program, Regulated and Strong. Thank you.